Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check credit score on Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Scotiabank app, and once you're inside here, there are two ways to check your credit score. The first way is simply tapping on the option that says My Updates, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing an option that says TransUnion Credit Score. Simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, you'll be sent to your credit score, and here you can see and check your credit score. And the second way to do is simply go back, and here on the bottom of the bar you'll be seeing an option that says Advice on the bottom bar of the screen, right? Simply tap on that. And once you tap on Advice, here you will also be provided with an option TransUnion Credit Score. Simply tap on that and you'll be sent to the same page, your credit score page, where you can view and check your credit score on Scotiabank. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.